Hi, I'm Lauren Keenan. I'm an interior stylist, and here are some tips about how you can get the most out of working with a stylist like me. My first tip is to keep an open mind. Let's face it, if you are completely happy with your home, you probably wouldn't be hiring a stylist in the first place. I will push you a little bit out of your comfort zone, but that is half the fun. I will introduce you to brands and products that you may not have heard of before, and I might even suggest a completely different layout for your space. But your home will still feel like your home, and that's because I'll take a really detailed brief from you before we start on the project to make sure we're all on the same page. My second tip is to spend some time thinking about your budget. I know this is a tricky one, and you might find it hard to work out how much you want to spend on decorating and styling your home, but it is really important that you spend some time thinking about it. Instead of trying to figure out how much you want to spend on individual items like a sofa or a dining table, have a think about how much you're willing to commit overall, how much you can actually afford to spend. Think about what the minimum is that you'd spend and what the top is that you'd be able to go to. I'll certainly be really upfront with you from the get-go about whether or not your budget is realistic for the type of home that you'd love to create. My third and final tip is be ready to go. So just like fashion, interiors are definitely seasonal. Trends come and go. So larger items like sofas and dining tables always tend to be available at retailers. They'll generally be something that fits the bill for your project. But things like cushion, artwork, and accessories, those little bits of decor that really help to bring a space to life, they too tend to sell out quite quickly. They come and go, trends move on. When you hire me, you should be ready to start making purchases now, because I'd really hate for you to miss out on any of the gorgeous items that I find for your home. And that's why tips 2 and 3 really do go hand in hand. We need to agree a budget, and then you need to be ready to whip out that credit card and start making some purchases. So there you have it. They are my 3 top tips for how you can get the most out of working with a stylist and being a dream client. And if you're ready to start on your project or even just have a few questions, you can contact me via my website, laurenkeenan.com.au.